Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a challenge with my friend. So the challenge is building the best basement trap for kids. Yeah, she's also recording or something, I don't know, but yeah, so the challenge is we are gonna build a basement. I mean, we're gonna build a 4x4 building and 6x6 basement trap. You know, when you want to trap kids or kidnap kids, so we are just gonna start. We're gonna give her the budget. Okay, there's your budget. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. I mean, it just started, but just enjoy the speed build. And I'm sorry if you guys got some like motion sickness because I moved the camera a lot. I have no idea why did I do that, but I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, we're done with the house. I mean the trap. So yeah, it's time for the tour. We are gonna start with mine. Okay, so this guy is I don't know who, but he was trapped at my friend's house. She trapped him. I don't know. So oh my god, laggy. So this is the outside, not much. So we're gonna get in. Oh, we're gonna jump. Oh, I that was so close. My friend fell. Okay, it's just A small room, nothing much. And it's pretty cozy, I'm not gonna lie, if I decorate it more. So we are gonna follow the trap. So okay, I'm gonna let him in. Ta-da! This is the trap, so it looks like that. And this is a welcome mat, I mean carpet, and yeah, some random picture and a toilet. Okay, so oh my god, and this is the place where we pray to Albert. Never, just kidding, guys. It's just for content. And yeah, creepy stuff and rusty, moldy floor. Oh my god, he's scared. Oh my god. And yeah, I think it's just perfect to trap like kids or people in Bloxburg. But the thing is, someone might like report our plot, so I don't think I will do it. Or should I? Comment down below, so I will do a part 2 where I'm gonna trap random people. Um, okay, I mean that's it. Okay, let's just go to build mode so everyone will get out. Oh my god, there's someone. Okay, next is Len. Okay, Len. Oh, her name is actually Len. So this is her place. Oh my god, someone actually got stuck. Oh my god. Oh, I think she want a tour. I don't know. It's okay. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go to build mode again, so everyone will be kicked out. Oh, tags. I don't know what she's saying, but okay, let's go. So this is her. I mean, Len House. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. So we're just gonna get in. Okay, there's nothing in it. Just gonna fall down. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my god, that is a lot of painting. I'm not gonna lie. A table with two chair and a bed. That's it. Okay, I mean, not much at her house, but it's creepy and it's perfect for like trapping kids. But one more thing, guys, disclaimer, if you don't want to get reported or like your plot deleted, so don't do this. Yeah, this is why I took long, she said. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below if you want me to do a part 2. Bye!